Now, let's move on to the most interesting part, right? We can see that AI is the most hyped topic in the world today. 50% of all venture investments, these are figures for 2024 to 2025, 50% of all venture investments are in AI. The other half is everything else, right? Adoption speed. ChatGPT reached 100 million users in just 2 months. No other technology, no other innovation in the world has grown this fast. Look, Instagram took 2.5 years. For people to even figure out what the internet was, it took 5 years. Personal computer. Recently, my mom called me and said, "Son, what is a website?" I said, "Can you imagine, Mom, you just skipped a couple of centuries." I don't even know what to say, yeah. It took 12 years for the personal computer. And so on. So the rate of popularization is just colossal. AI and everything happening around it, well, it really changes the requirements for us as business people. I'll talk more about this in a moment. So this is something you just can't forget about and then go on with your own micromanagement. But what's the point here? Look, 78% of companies are using it. Annual growth is 23%. In just 1 year, these are the fastest rates of corporate adoption. 22% haven't adopted it. Well, okay. Now let's look at the success rate of implementation. 5% of companies achieved a financial result from this at the scale of their investment. That is, they at least got something similar as profit compared to what they spent, right? 5%. Well, that's within the margin of error. 38% of organizations, these are figures for 2025, 38% of organizations moved beyond the pilot stage. That is, an idea came up, right? And we're like, let's do this. Let's do a proof of concept. We did it, started working on something. We need to go further. No, it's not quite right. These programmers are eating up tokens. To hell with them. And they stopped. 43% don't reach their goal, 95% don't pay off. This is today's reality. I don't know, is there any data for 2026, any statistics for 2026? I had the same statistics. Maybe someone else has different statistics, maybe someone has 100%. Well, I don't know. As a good friend of ours used to say, if something isn't working out for you, just stop bullshitting that everything's fine. Yeah, you know?